Okay, well, we made it down to Sunset Cliffs here in Ocean Beach, California. Just hanging out. There's actually a little arch down here. I was able to get Kelly to join me. She likes to hide out behind me here. What do you think? It's pretty nice down here. She just got a sweet shot of a pelican flying by.
Slow motion.
All right, well, we're passing through Ramona, California. This is a cool little mountain town. Geez, I think we're up a couple thousand feet. It's a little cool up here, actually coming from the city of San Diego. Gonna make a little impromptu trip out to the desert. I've been getting a lot of questions about my little Honda trail bike. Hasn't been seen on the back of my van. I had it stored at my folks' place. I need to do some work on it. So I've got it tuned up, so we're gonna go out to the desert, do a little off-roading with it and see how it runs. Spend a few nights out there camping. It's been raining in San Diego the last week and we have some scattered showers in the forecast, but where we're heading in the desert, it's pretty hard-packed dirt, so we should be all good as far as finding a camp. There's some free camping areas out there. Kind of designated off-road areas, so if you're not good with the sound of off-road vehicles and motorcycles and that, not a good place to camp, but that's what we're going out there to do, so should be lots of fun. Hopefully the weather will hold up for us. We can get out there, do some riding, enjoy our time camping out there. So away we go. This is a pretty drive through here. I love going through these mountain towns. Kind of a twisty, turny road here. I believe this is Highway 78. It's really pretty through here though with all these old oak trees. All right, well, we're making our descent down the other side of the mountain. It's still real twisty and turny, but it's not that steep of a descent. It's kind of a little bit of a fog haze up ahead, and then there's also a clearing where there's blue skies. So the contrast is just amazing. Loving it. Hey, I see sunshine up ahead. Wow, so pretty through here. We are now in Ocotillo Wells State Vehicular Area, again, which is a very popular off-roading area. Lots of open desert where you can off-road, camp for free and all that. So we're just maybe 5 miles out of our camping area. There is a lot of private land kind of sprinkled in here as well. So you just got to keep an eye on the signs and make sure you're not trespassing on private land. But for the most part, it's the state vehicular area, which is pretty much open range for exploring. Another sign here, Ocotillo Wells, state vehicular area. Ah, dirt roads, I love it. Ocotillo Wells. I already see some guys off riding up on the hills here. This all looks fairly hard packed, so we should be good to go. A lot of big RVs come in here, so looks like we wind down this road maybe about a mile or so, and I believe they've got bathrooms and showers and all that. These little guys on their motorcycles. It looks like it's 5 years old. Wind is picking up, and maybe one of these big mesquite trees will help block the wind a little. So yeah, we're gonna see. It's almost looking like here, hard to tell which way the wind is coming from. Well, the wind's really picked up here, but we kind of tried to make a windbreak with our vans. Wind's coming at this way, so we parked like this. Got the trail bike unloaded already. And we did take a walk over. They have restrooms and showers, coin-operated showers, and it looks like it's hot water. Tons of area to explore and ride, so we're gonna chill out this afternoon, evening, and then get to riding tomorrow. That is the plan. Yeah, feels good to be back out here. Ocotillo right there, blooming. Well, they call this the pumpkin patch. All these sandstones have been eroded into nice round little balls, kind of resembling pumpkins. It was, geez, probably a 4 or 5 mile ride out here. Actually, it was more like 10 miles. I clocked it. Pretty much need an off-road vehicle. And it's interesting to ride out 10 miles down an off-road trail and they actually have a bathroom, some shade structures, and picnic tables. Pretty neat. Well, we got a rainy day out here at Ocotillo Wells. I know I've been reading online that quite a few camping areas are being closed down and they're not allowing people to camp till this virus thing blows over, so we'll see how it goes. Well, we'll give you a little glimpse of the scene here at Ocotillo Wells off-road camping area. We actually were camped over by the showers and toilet. We've got showers. It's about $1 for a full shower. Takes quarters, but some people kind of camped a little close to us. And then the day of the rain, the rangers came in and roped off. These little shade structures are side by side. They roped off 2 in between each site, so all the campers are spaced 2 spaces apart all along here. It's they've got an available space, 2 blocked off, an available one, 2 blocked off at the whole area, which is kind of interesting. I guess they don't want us camping right next to each other, which is fine by me. I normally don't camp in areas like this, but we wanted to get some off-roading in, so that's why we came out here, having a little fun. What do you think?
We've been riding.
You're riding like the wind. The little Honda's running good. Kelly's been on the Sur-Ron. She's on the fence whether or not she wants to sell this thing. But been good times. Doing up some burgers on a little grill. Bacon, cheddar cheese, yeah. Alright, the burgers turned out good. Did a little pan-fried French fries there. I think this will work. Use my typical sriracha mayo on the burger. A little arugula, onion. We got a bacon cheddar burger to top it off with an English muffin for the bun. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are doing okay out there. Just for reference, all the footage in this video was filmed from about March 13th through about March 20th. We were in San Diego for just a couple days and then out at the desert for a good solid week, and have since moved on. So the next video will catch you up to where I'm camped out and kind of hunkered down during these pandemic times. It's been interesting, to say the least. Fortunately, I've been able to supply up and get all the things I need as far as shopping and that. So not experiencing a whole lot of craziness, but I will say it is nice to be out boondocking and out of the city. So again, I hope you guys are all doing well out there. Let me know in the comments what's going on with you guys, and I really look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Take care. Peace.